Today, I'll show you how to effortlessly download all your photos and videos from Google Photos with just a few clicks, whether you're on your iPhone, Android device, or even your PC. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Manage your Google account. This will take you to your Google account settings. Scroll down and look for Data and Privacy. Under Data from apps and services that you use, find the section labeled Content Saved from Google Services. In this section, locate and click on Google Photos. Here, you'll see the total amount of media in your library. Click on the Download button. You'll be directed to Google Takeout, where you can make a few choices about your export. Choose Google Photos and proceed to the next step. Now customize your export preferences. Select how you want to receive your download link. I recommend choosing Send Download Link via email for convenience. You can also choose the export frequency, such as exporting once or setting up a recurring export, the size of your export, and the file type. Once you've made your selections, click on Create Export. Google will begin creating your export package, which may take a few days or weeks depending on the size of your photo and video library. Keep an eye on your email. Once your export is ready, you'll receive a download link. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below and stay tuned for more tips and tricks. See you next time.